Hi there, Anthony here with GigaParts, here to talk to you all about Zero PCs. Are you sick and tired of hearing this?
Mom, the computer's not working!
Or how about this?
Mom, Dad, the computer's not working!
Are you sick and tired of hearing this?
Mom, Dad, the computer's not working again.
When it comes to computers, are you sick and tired of hearing this?
Mom, Dad, the computer's not working again.
Are you sick and tired of hearing something like this?
Mom, Dad, the computer hates me.
So let's see if we can solve it. And here's how we solve that problem with Zero PCs. I'd like to introduce you to the Colossus, our biggest, baddest machine. This one has a 2 terabyte solid state drive. It's the newest NVMe technology. 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and the top of the line NVIDIA graphics card. Top all that off with 3 years parts and labor warranty, and you have yourself an amazing machine that kicks all sorts of butt for doing homework. And believe it or not, Zero PCs isn't a one-trick pony. We have other options. With our gaming line starting from the Gravitas to the Centurion, all the way to the Ascension, we have something that will fit anything that you need as a gamer. Or, schoolwork. Definitely for schoolwork. For both your serious work and your serious play, we have a machine that probably suits you. And the best part is our warranty. Most machines come with a 3-year part and labor warranty that covers parts and labor. Zero bloatware, zero compromises, Zero PCs. We don't play games with your games. While we're on the topic of zero financing for up to 12 months. Ask in store for more details. And if you don't believe me about how awesome Zero PCs are, listen to these awesome testimonials.
Thank you, Zero PC. Thanks, Zero PCs.
Thanks, Zero PCs.
Thanks, Zero PCs. Thanks, Zero PCs.
I'm not saying that buying a Zero PC is going to save the fish or the world or whatever, but I mean, it couldn't hurt to try, right? So what are you waiting for? You should click the link on screen. It's going to take you to a page where you can look at all the specifications, you can check out all the different stuff and whatnots, and you know you want the stuff and whatnots. Or if you'd rather not have that information presented to you digitally, you can always come into store. GigaParts is located at 1426B, Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west. No children, stuffed animals were injured during the making of this ad, but a cheap computer was significantly damaged beyond repair. Zero Systems will not save the world or your life, but will keep yourself, your family, and your friends entertained for years to come. GigaParts is not responsible for the destruction of a cheap computer, but we did have lots of fun throwing it to the ground multiple times.
Zero PCs saved my parents' marriage.